Hello everyone, this is Shujoy from 7 Boats Academy. Today we will learn how to optimize your LinkedIn profile in few minutes. So for that, you have to audit your LinkedIn profile and understand where you need to improve. For audit your LinkedIn profile, you need to go to a site named resumeaudit.com and find out where you need to improve. So let's check out how we can do that. First, if I say I cross that thing, and first I say you have to go to resumeaudit.com, and you come to this website. You have to first log in with your Gmail ID, and then I already had login to my account, so I can go to my dashboard. Here you can see the few things it's there, like score my resume, targeted resume, LinkedIn review. I have to audit my LinkedIn profile, so I have to click here, optimize my LinkedIn profile in seconds. So here you need to upload the PDF form, the profile PDF of your LinkedIn profile. So let's check how we can do that. This is my profile. So first you have to go to more option, and here you have to click on save to PDF. So I downloaded my profile. So let's go there and just upload that file. I uploaded my file. So it just take few minutes to identify the score of our profile. And here it is. This is my profile overview. And you can see here, this is basically an audit. So you can see where I need to improve, like work experience, summary I need to improve. So you can check here the your total thing, like your headline, like your headline has 10 out of 10. That means your headline is good. Your summary needs to improve 7 out of 10. Your experience needs to improve. Your education is there. So in this way you can understand where you need to work on your LinkedIn profile and optimize accordingly. So thank you so much, and please like and subscribe our channel, and do hit the notification bell for more similar updates. Thank you.